Hi guys, I'm Miss Angelica Pot, and today we're making slime. So what you'll need is pencil, foam and hand soap, and a stirring material. Like this. Right in the mouth. So right now we are mixing it right in the bowl.
Hold on.
We
Here,
want to
Miss Angelica Pie.
What?
I'll add all the ingredients for you.
Alright.
Or I'll do it for you, basically.
Alright, royal servant.
So you're gonna need some foaming hand or some hand soap.
Okay, not good.
And then you're gonna need paint or some food coloring.
No.
Here's some of our food coloring. And then you're gonna need full hand soap.
1 pump, please.
1 pump.
Okay.
And then you're gonna mix it up. We chose black for color.
I can't turn it now.
It's turning out already. Miss Angelica Pie, do you see this? It's very gooey. You'll see that it will start forming right away. But and that was all you needed for this beautiful slime. It's very gooey. If you cannot see what she is doing right now. Here, and if you'd like some, if your foaming hand soap doesn't have a scent, you can add some air freshener. So, apple cinnamon is what we're using. So both of our scents were London and apple cinnamon. You don't have to use those. The foaming hand soap can be totally optional, or if you're using the air freshener, it can also be totally optional. And today only, for now, we will be at the rec center if you would like to come and meet us. So like a meet and greet, basically. So this is how the slime turns out. And as you can see, it does not stick to the hand very much, just like a tiny bit, because it didn't mix fully yet. That's why you need to knead it after. And you can jiggle it. You can take all of this out. And then you need to wash the bowl. So yeah, that's really about it, guys. This is how the slime will turn out. The coloring and the scent is totally optional. But the foaming hand soap and the soap, you have to mix together, or else it will not work. You dropped something. Okay, so that's really the end of the video for now. Bye.